welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Chennel and this is a beauty channel. Today I'm going to be highlighting another Black-owned business. So if you're new to my channel, I have started a Black-owned series where I will be highlighting different Black-owned beauty brands. I felt like it was really important just to support my own as well as these other big brands out there. I think it's just super important in our community, especially me having a platform to highlight other Black-owned businesses. It's something that just really means a lot to me, and I've just had so much support from everyone, not just Black people, but I've also had support from every race. But it's also important to, you know, just shed light on brands out there that are women of color friendly as well. So today I'm going to be highlighting a brand called Prime Beauty. This brand did reach out to me. I did announce on my channel and other social media platforms that I'm going to be highlighting Black-owned businesses. Some of the products I do buy when I'm doing this series, and some of them are sent to me as well. Either way, you guys, I don't review anything that I don't actually take an interest in. With that being said, I'm going to get right into the products that were sent to me. I want to get this right, so excuse me guys, I'm going to just read off of one of them and just give you some insight on the products they sent. So they did send me their Make It Matte lipsticks, which I'll show you in a second, but I'm just going to give you some info on it really quick. It says the Make in the Matte liquid lipsticks are long-lasting formula that applies smoothly and dries down to a matte finish. Infused with coconut oil and vitamin E, these liquid lipsticks wear comfortably all day long, no dryness and no cracking. I have to tell you guys, this is absolutely true because I'm wearing one of the colors right now. I had an earlier video shoot somewhere else for another brand, and I've been wearing this lipstick all day. And it has not cracked on me, it has not come off. I've eaten. It is honestly one of the best liquid lipsticks I've ever been sent. Straight up, like I'm not even making this up. So it says here that they're available in 3 red hot shades: Flames, a true blue based red, Fuego, an orange based red, and More Fire, an orange red shade. It also says that they have more shades coming soon in case you guys are interested, and they are sold individually for the retail price of $15 each, or you can get all 3 in the Ring the Alarm set that retails for $36, and they are available at theprimebeautycosmetics.com. So just wanted to get that out there. So the next products are the Glow Up Loose Powder Highlighters. I'm wearing the highlight right now. It's literally booming on my face, like amazing. Highly pigmented Glow Up Loose Powder Highlighters are just what you need to get your glow on. Use it to glow up your cheekbones, brow bones, nose, life, and anywhere else you want to add extra shimmer. So they're also available in 3 shades. They have Glow Off, a bronze shade with hints of pearl, Glow Girl, a peachy rose gold, and Soul Glow, a yellow gold with hints of pearl. And these retail for $17 each. So I'm going to show you the products. First, we're going to start with the lip colors because these are literally amazing. So they actually sent me More Fire, which I'm wearing on my lips right now, and I'm obsessed. They also sent me Flames. I love red shades, so I was super excited when I got this because red, in my opinion, is what looks best on me whenever I wear a lip color. So I'm going to swatch these for you guys really quickly. I am wearing it, but I thought maybe a swatch could help you guys. So I'm going to just do a quick one swipe swatch. I didn't want to get tongue-tied there. And I'm going to show you guys what they look like. So again, the More Fire is more of an orange based red. So Flames is a blue based red, which I'm not wearing, and More Fire is an orange based red. I'm going to, I don't know how to, okay, I didn't think this through. So I have More Fire here and Flames here. Seriously gorgeous, you guys. Like, amazing. So here is More Fire here. This is definitely more of an orange based red. I know you guys can see that within the light, how orange it is. And then Flames is more of a blue based red. So you can see that as well. So I'm wearing More Fire. I love the longevity of it. I love how it feels on my lips. It's not crackling, it's not drying up. I'm gonna get into the highlighters. These are honestly my favorite products out of everything they sent. So I'm gonna show you guys Glow Off first, just because, oh, it's so pretty. So this is more of a bronzed color, kind of like my background. It's like a bronze gold. All you do, you guys, is just turn this and the pigment will come out. So you really only need a little bit of this, honestly. So I'm gonna just dab a little bit. I guess we'll do it on my hand because I don't want, doing it on my arm kind of isn't really showing. So we're gonna do this, whew, in freaking insane. That's crazy. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Ah! Oh, so bomb. Look at that. So this is a highlighter, you guys. Freaking highlighter. We'll put some more right here. Look at that, you guys. So freaking pretty. Like, in freaking insane. I'll give you guys a close-up on it. Right? Look. So freaking bomb. Definitely, even from back here, you can see this John. Like, this is crazy. Forgive me, you guys. I'm from Jersey. John is a thing here. So, you just look at that, yo. Bomb. 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 Just amazing. All right, so let's move on because I'm gonna obsess over this highlighter for a while. So the next one is Soul Glow. That one was Glow Off. If I didn't say that, I'm not sure if I did. So let's turn this around. I'm literally just dropping a little bit of the pigment, and you really only need a couple drops. You don't need nothing crazy here. That's why I'm even more excited, because this is a product that's gonna last you forever. Like, I feel like you're not gonna really need to buy a lot, unless you're like a highlighter fiend and somebody who just wears a lot of highlighter, which even then, like, you really are not, you're never gonna run out of this, you guys. There's so much of it, and you only need a couple dabs to get a good streak going. Look at this gold right here, you guys. See how this one is more gold and this one's more like a bronzy, pinky. I feel like this just has more of a bronzy. So this is more of a bronze and this is more of a like a yellow gold. But both, I'm actually wearing the yellow gold one on my face today. I feel like it just it stands out more, and for what I was doing, I really needed something to really like stand out. But I would probably go with this bronze one more often. And even then, like, you really just only need a dab of it, like just a dab. Like, you would be crazy if you like did too much. And I literally had put some down the bridge of my nose. Like, seriously. You don't need a lot of this, you guys. This is insane. You guys see this pigment? Do you see how pigmented this is? Like, guys, insane. Definitely a brand I highly recommend. I've only been wearing it one day, but from what I've been wearing, I'm in love. I absolutely love what I'm seeing. Like, honestly, check out my Instagram stories. All of my PR unboxings or anything a brand sends me, I unbox on my PR unboxing little highlight on my Instagram page. So if you guys aren't following me, you should be. And you guys will be able to see, you know, the different makeup that comes in and the different makeup that I try out. There's going to be a lot of Black owned brands that I try out that you guys are going to see. You'll see them first on my Instagram stories. Sometimes I'll get a video up depending on, you know, if I have time, but this right here I had to make a video about because I was so blown away just from trying it out that I wanted to get a video up on it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I want to thank you guys so much for your support. You guys have really been like rocking with me. I hope that you're enjoying the new videos and the consistency. I'm back up and running again. So I just wanted to say thank you. I love you guys so much. If you are a Black owned brand and you are legitimate and really have like a website, good products, definitely reach out to me. Leave me a comment below and we can chat. So thanks guys, I love you, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.